In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick fix if you encounter Snapchat problem C14A service unavailable. This error usually means Snapchat can't connect to its servers. It's often caused by internet issues, app glitches, or Snapchat being temporarily down. So the first thing that you may want to check is your internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or you can also turn on and off the airplane mode for a weak connection is the most common issue. The next thing that you can try is by closing the Snapchat app fully and try reopening it up. But if that doesn't work, restart your phone and check the App Store or Play Store for a Snapchat update. Lastly, in your settings, just go to your app list, then simply look for Snapchat so you can use the search bar and just type in Snapchat until it appears, then click on it. Then click on storage and cache. Then try clearing the cache and clearing the storage just by clicking on the button. Now, if nothing of the fixes works, that only means Snapchat servers might be down. Just wait for a few minutes and try again. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!